teeter-totter kind of lever, where you push on one end and the other end goes up. This is a lever where the point where it pivots is right here, and one arm of the teeter-totter is this one, and the other arm is this one. Right? So I lift up here, if I lift, this one is 4 times the length of this, so if I lift this one 4 inches, this one only goes up 1 inch, because it's an angle, right?
Oh, that's cool.
And if I put 1 pound here, it weighs 4 pounds here, because of the pressure, the way the pressure changes. So this is at 8 pounds of water.
Oh gosh.
How many pounds is that pushing on our cheese?
16.
1 here is 4 here. Let's multiply by 4. 8 times 4.
Oh, yeah.
8 made is 16. 16 and 16 is 32.
There
So
we
it's
go.
32 pounds
Oh
of pressure
gosh.
on our cheese.
Wow.
Plus the wood, so it's almost 40 pounds
Oh my gosh.
of pressure pushing on our cheese, and it's going to make nice,
Wait, is that
solid,
cheese?
tight cheese in there.
Oh, you put the lid on.
There's a lid on top.
Is there
So-
colorant in the cheese to make like yellow cheddar cheese?
I didn't put any, it'll just be white. But yeah.
But it'll be farmer cheese.
For orange cheddar cheese, they put a color in it, yeah. The cheddar cheese from this Cheddar England is where that's from, originally. And original cheddar from England is yellowish because of the cows that they get the milk from. It makes a yellowish milk.
Oh,
makes
so
yellow
they have
cheese.
natural color, which
They
is
have
what's
natural
helpful,
yellowish cheese.
which is pretty
And
nice.
in some like New York, East Coast, when they started making cheddar, they first started on the East Coast, they had white cheese because they had different cows and different milk.